welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nava. So all over my social media I've been seeing the that girl trend. I know it's kind of old, but she has not been on YouTube in a very long time. Basically what it is everyone's showing their routine to be that girl. I know that there's a bunch of thoughts like positive and negative. All of this stuff that society makes you think is how you should be. This perfect person with like body and the way she eats. And people see that as a very unrealistic way of living. But it can also be very inspiring because it's inspiring you to be the best version of you. So a girl's ideal that girl might be different from the next girl. So a lot of the videos that I've seen, everyone's that girl is someone that drinks green juices every day or goes to yoga and pilates every week and has like a really big salad. You know, that typical healthy Pinterest image. But let's be real, my ideal that girl is just someone that can eat Taco Bell every single week and not gain weight. That is the best version of me that I'm trying to be. That's why I really wanted to hop on this trend, because I thought it would be fun and I figured people might find it entertaining and hopefully inspiring as well. Because you all know if Nava Rose wants her hot Cheetos, she's going to have her hot Cheetos. This is my little workout outfit for today. It is from Aloe. It's a sports bra and short set, and then this little cardigan, which I love because it has a cute little shoulder cutout. Time to work out, but not really work out because I actually worked out this morning at 7 a.m. So I guess instead, let's just cut to the workout clip. Just as much as we have to take care of our physical health, taking care of your mental health is just as important. So I want to thank BetterHelp for being the sponsors of today's video. I am just so happy that the topic about mental health is being talked about more. I actually started therapy back in 2013 for over a year, and that whole time that I was getting counseling, I kind of kept it a secret and I hid it, mainly because back then it was kind of looked down upon in society. If you got therapy, something was wrong with you. I wasn't going through a huge life crisis or anything like that, just a normal person going through life. If no one has told you this before, let me tell you, life is not easy, okay? I honestly was a little skeptical about starting therapy because I personally didn't really know anyone that went to therapy. After getting counseling, I was so mind blown why not everyone was going to therapy. Getting advice from your friends and your family is great, but they maybe might tell you things that you might want to hear, or they'll have a biased opinion about something. It's just nice to talk to a professional counselor that has an unbiased opinion, can just give you advice on life. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help or anything. It's this professional counseling done securely online. The way it works is so easy. All you do is go to their website, you take a really general quiz about who you are, your age, your interests, your preferences, and BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist. They just have such a broad range of expertise with over 15,000 counselors, and that might not be available locally to some people. Listen, I did the whole traditional therapy, and just having to sit in that waiting room is like slightly awkward, especially if it's your first time and you're like, I don't know what to do. I've never been here or in this situation before, so I get it. I really love that BetterHelp, you get timely and thoughtful responses, and you can schedule weekly phone or video sessions so you don't have to go through any of that. Personally, I think it's a more comfortable way, especially if you've never really got counseling before, and you can start communicating within 48 hours. You can log into your account at any time and message your counselor. BetterHelp is committed to creating great therapeutic matches, so they make it really easy and free to change your counselors if needed. The great thing is that it's more affordable than your traditional offline counseling, and financial aid is also available. If you're happy, if you're sad, if you're going through a life crisis, if you're at your peak or whatever, I think counseling is beneficial to anyone in any stage of your life. But not only do I I want you to live a happier life, BetterHelp also wants you to start living a happier life today. So visit betterhelp.com/Nava, that's better HELP, to join the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health. Also, they're giving my followers a special offer of 10% off your very first month. So don't forget to check out betterhelp.com/Nava. All right, so it's brunch time now. I'm about to make some avocado toast. Okay, I know it's like kind of basic, but I was trying to think of a reason to explain how basic it is, but I don't have a reason, so we're just gonna make it real quick. Let's get to cooking. Brunch, we have avocado toast, and I also chopped up some white peaches because they are in season. As the first meal of this video, I just definitely want to say that I am not a nutritionist. However, it is very important to educate yourself on nutrition. I listen to a bunch of podcasts and I think those are really helpful. Do I know if broccoli sprouts are good with avocado toast? I'm not sure, but I know that broccoli sprouts are really good for you, so that's why I'm eating them. Heidi suggested to try potato bread out. It's not like the healthiest out of all the breads, but she said it's really tasty, so we're gonna go with that. It is time for lunch, so I'm going to be making some breakfast burritos for lunch. Okay, let's not call it breakfast burritos. We're gonna call it tofu scramble burritos. Our ingredients today are spinach herb tortillas. I already made some tofu scramble. Tofu with some turmeric, spinach, and white potatoes. I made this about a month ago, and I put it in the freezer because I just made way too much. So now I just defrosted it. Spinach, parsley, tomatoes. I have never done this before, but Trader Joe's has these hash browns, and Heidi said that they taste just like the McDonald's hash browns, so I'm going to fry one up and also put it in my burrito. That's gonna be so good. And then I'm gonna make some sriracha mayo, so let's cook this up. Oh my gosh, my toast fell in the sink. Dinner time now. My dad likes to go on weekly fishing trips, and he actually dropped off a bunch of yellowtail. So since this is like completely fresh, like straight from the sea, I am going to make some ceviche. I need to wash it first though. The only thing that I don't have for ceviche is cilantro. Why I really like ceviche is because you basically just throw everything in a bowl and it tastes good. But I'm just gonna throw a bunch of stuff that I already have and hopefully it works. I'm also going to be making a small salad. I have some spring mix and some spinach that I'm going to chop up. I already don't really like eating salad, so I really hate like eating big leaves like this in my salad, so that's why I chop them up. My dinner salad is pretty simple. It's just a bunch of spring greens, wonton chips, almond slices, and this vegan Japanese salad dressing. These are my favorite chips ever. They're vegan. My friend Amy showed them to me. These are the lime flavor. I've had like all the flavors and they're really good. So I like to eat my ceviche with them.
Do we really have to? Lady of the joy. Guys, let's move this into my room.
So I generally eat the same meals throughout the whole entire week, and that helps me not to waste any ingredients or groceries that I purchase because I do live alone. So these ingredients can last me multiple days. The thing that I'm eating on Tuesday is the same exact thing that I ate on Monday. And then for workout on Tuesdays, I go to my friend Skyler's class at Hot 8 Yoga, which is her Pilates class in a room that is over 100 degrees. You're like slightly dying, but you feel great afterwards. Today is ab day, and this is today's outfit. Sports bra and leggings from Aloe. It's like from one of their older collections. Let's go do some abs. I'm just gonna be making a smoothie because I don't really feel like eating anything too heavy. Be nice to my banana, okay? I know she's a little old. I don't want to waste her, so I'm still gonna use her. We have to add some greens, feed those microorganisms, and we have some vegan coconut milk yogurt. In my smoothie, I like to add almond butter. This is the almond butter from Groceries. Honestly, it's not my favorite almond butter. I love the concept of Groceries, but this almond butter is literally just crushed almonds, not buttery at all. I'll just add a couple strawberries, 1 scoop of the Power Boost. And then I'll just fill it up about like 3/4 of the way with coconut water. I figured there would be questions about the Power Boost that I added to this. I might as well just answer them now. It is not a protein, it's like a dietary supplement. I mainly just use it because I really like the taste of it. Out of all the chocolate powders that I've used, this is the best one. Kind of reminds me of like a little dessert. I think that's why I like it. And right now I'm craving something really sweet. It is dinner time! For dinner, I am eating some vegan tamales. I order from them all the time whenever I'm at my cousin's house in Fontana. If you're ever in the IE and you want some really good vegan burritos, vegan tamales, definitely check them out. This right here is the jalapeno and cheese. I'm not really quite sure which one this one is, but I've loved all of their tamales, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it.
Bring it around. 2, bend. Left, open wide, and hop, round, left, hop, and take your time to go,
Hello, this is my cousin Andrew. I just took his heels class. Dancing is a part of my workout, so I'm gonna take that every week.
If you want to feel sexy, if you want to feel fine, come every Monday at 6:30.
Okay, it's fun. It's fun.
See, look.
Come take class with us. Come dance heels with us. So I just got back from class and my stomach is a little You know what snack I'm gonna eat, which everyone might think it's a bad idea, but honestly, when my stomach is feeling bad, this is like the only thing that makes me feel better. Let me try that again. I literally eat this like once a week at least. This is what I'm gonna eat for snack today. Came to visit my sister at her new office in Beverly Hills. Say hi, T. Hi, T. And we're at Cafe Shira. We are eating feta, spinach, what are these? Pastry things. Pastry things. And then I have a lavender with a shot of espresso latte, and Ciara has a chocochino with latte.
We split half a cookie.
I'm playing Pokemon. My weekends are kind of my break from working out. So either on Saturday or Sunday, I won't work out at all. That's just kind of my rest day. And then the other day will be an active rest day. I didn't get a chance to film what I ate for dinner, but I did have a family party this week. I ate pizza, I had a couple shots of alcohol, and I also ate the vegan surf and turf burrito from my favorite vegan tamale place. And then on Sunday, like I mentioned before, is my active rest day. So I'll either go longboarding, or I'll go on a hike, or I'll go surfing. A fun activity that I do with friends or family.
You wanted the fries in the burrito, right?
Yeah, thank you. This is my cheat meal for the week. Okay. Okay. And this, my friends, is what I call the Nava roast taco. It is a cheesy gordita crunch. Sub the meat with nacho fries or potatoes if the nacho fries are out of season at the moment. And then sub the shell with the nacho Dorito shell plus my Baja Blast. This is what I look forward to every single week. Excuse me, fly. Why do flies love Taco Bell? Shout out to my cousin Courtney 3 years ago for letting me know that they could sub meat with nacho fries. That literally has changed my life. That was in 2018. And ever since then, I've been getting the same taco every single time. Literally, not kidding. So that's why I call it the Nava roast taco. So this is my 2 cents on cheat meals and whatnot. Just remember that having one salad won't make you skinny. And to me, it's the same thing. 1 or 2 cheat meals won't hurt you. That's why I generally try to eat as healthy as I can throughout the week. Kind of balance the fact that I'm gonna have a cheat meal on the weekends. Listen, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I don't know when my last day on earth is gonna be. It could be in 30 years. It could be tomorrow. I'm gonna enjoy this Taco Bell while I can. All right, my rosebuds, so I'm gonna end off my video there. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I generally eat in a week and my workout routine. And remember that your ideal girl is just whatever version of you that makes you happy, not what society makes you think is beautiful. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing numbers 7 6